The song reflects the essence of life, comparing it to a flowing river and emphasizing the journey over the destination. Over the years, this classic melody has become an iconic piece of Indian music, often revisited by artists and cherished for its deep meaning and soul-stirring melody. Its simple yet powerful composition makes it an excellent choice for learning on the piano, as it conveys a wide range of emotions through just a few chords and melodic phrases. Get comfortable with the C major scale before jumping into the melody. It's your starting point for mastering the tune. Practicing this scale will help you recognize and play each note with confidence and flow, making it easier to bring the melody to life. Pa ga pa ma re ne, pa ga pa ma re ne, sa ni da pa, sa re ga ma pa ma ga ga, sa re ga ga ma pa ma ga ga, ga ma pa ni da pa ma pa dha, ma ga re pa pa ma dha pa ma ga, sa re ga ma pa ma ga ga, sa re ga ga ma pa ma ga ga, ga ma pa ni da pa ma pa da, ma ga re pa pa ma da pa ma ga, sa re ga ma pa ma ga ga. Sa re dha sa ga ma ga 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 re re ga, sa re dha sa ga ma ga 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 re re ga, ga pa sa ni da da ma, pa ni pa, sa re dha sa ga ma ga 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 re re ga. We hope you found joy in this melody and feel inspired to bring it to life on your piano. Give it a try, and if any questions pop up or you need some guidance, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always in sync with our newest lessons. Exciting tutorials are on the way, so stay tuned and keep playing.